Dear friends, myself Vijay Pratap Singh. Today we are going to discuss about our chapter Small Business and Enterprises. We have to discuss about it in front of you. I have written these all things. So we have to start today small business enterprises. According to that, we have to discuss what is the meaning of small business and enterprises. So dear students, first we have to know what is the meaning of enterprises. So with the help of that, we can able to identify why enterprises is an important part of our daily life. So in front of you I have written enterprises is given in front of you. Entrepreneur, it is a person, but when it will increase according to situation and condition, it will change into a entrepreneurship process. Here we have to get according to that entrepreneurship process, and third one is giving in front of you enterprises means outcome. With the help of that, we have to discuss this is the process of enterprises. We can say when we have to start our enterprises in the person, first step should be given, after that should be in the process, and third one is will be outcome. मीन्स जब भी हम कोई व्यवसाय अपना स्टार्ट करेंगे, कोई भी बिजनेस इंटरप्राइजेस खोलेंगे, पहले वो क्या होगा, पर्सन मीन्स वी हैव टू स्टार्ट. It should be in the process after that, and after that we will get result. It will be the example of outcome. These are the very important part of our business activity. That's why in front of you I have written small business and enterprises. We can say enterprises seeds is the enterprises because its result is creating goods and services. With the help of that, we are getting goods and services of the business enterprises, and these are the very important part of our activity and daily life. With the help of that, we can say these all are the very important part of our small business activity. So dear students, we have to discuss about that, about our business activity. According to situation, we are getting these all things. First of all, the concept of enterprises we have to discuss. So in front of you, I am explaining once again about entrepreneurship and enterprise. Three things are written in front of you, and what is the meaning of entrepreneur? It should be a person. It will improve and it will get in the second step, entrepreneur. And it is a step of second one is called process, and after that third one is given in front of you, enterprises. Enterprises means it should be an outcome of our business environment. According to that, we have to discuss these all things. But now in front of you I have written here need of entrepreneurship. And after that in front of you I have written few importance of entrepreneurship. अब हम अगला टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे, what is the importance and need of our entrepreneurship. So now we have to discuss according to that each and every topic, and in front of you written need of entrepreneurship. अब हमारी entrepreneurship की आवश्यकता क्या होती है? तो पहला आपके सामने लिखा है लाइफ लाइन ऑफ ए नेशन. Entrepreneurship is a yardstick. We can say it is a yardstick to measure the development of each and every activity of our nation. Nation means we know very well where we are living. Now I am living in India, means I am an Indian. So we have to calculate entrepreneurship according to our situation and condition of India. And now next one we have to discuss provide innovation. We can say entrepreneur is the aim innovate with the tires and new ideas and methods, new technologies are coming inside. That one is a car provide innovations. With the help of that we are getting new technology and new ideas and new views with the help of this entrepreneurship. Next one is given in front of you, growth of economy. The entrepreneurship adapt to the changes and the changes take place in the environment. Once again listen, the entrepreneurship adapt to changes as changes take place in the environment. The changes adopting the entrepreneurship and enterprises is the being changes in the society of economy. Otherwise we can say next one, latest technology is used to entrepreneurship is not bringing growth is to enterprises, but it also bring growth of economy at large. This one we are getting with the help of that. Another we can say increased profit. Increased profit means we have to discuss, and enterprises always tries to get benefit. Once again listen, and entrepreneurship always try to minimum cost. We can say he always try to get optimum utilization of resources. The reduction of cost and increases the efficiency always. Result is increases in profit. That one is a called increase in profit. Dear students, we have to discuss, when we are starting a business, only one motive is there to increase our profit. हमारे व्यवसाय करने का एकमात्र उद्देश्य होता है धन कमाना, प्रॉफिट कमाना और बिजनेस को नंबर 1 पोजीशन पे पहुंचाना. That's why these all topics are very important part of our business activity. And next one is given in front of you, employment opportunities. With the help of that, with the help of business environment or entrepreneurship, we are getting opportunities of employment. If employment will increase in our India, then our Indian development will also increase. With the help of that, we can say entrepreneurship not only provides the scope for self-employment but also effect employment to large number of people as the care of successful enterprises. Growth of entrepreneurship activity leads more and more employment. अगर हमारा employment opportunities बढ़ता है तो इसका मुख्य उद्देश्य हमारे entrepreneurship. इसके द्वारा हमें अधिक से अधिक रोजगार प्राप्त होते हैं. Another thing is given in front of you, social benefit. Entrepreneurship always try to be adopt large biological and scale of the standard of living to provide goods and quantity produced and the services of the lowest cost. We can say by setting up the enterprises is the backbone area. With the help of that, we can able to know these are activities. Okay? With the help of that, we can able to know these are things. So dear students, once again you have to listen. The concept of enterprises is written in front of you. According to that, we have to read entrepreneur means person. Entrepreneurship means it is a process. Third one is a enterprise means outcome. With the help of 3 steps, we are getting benefit and is the backbone of our Indian development. After that, we have to discuss here need of entrepreneurship. So we have to discuss 6 importance needs I have written in front of you. Once again, evolution, lifeline of nation. Second one, provide innovation. And third one is a group of economy, growth of economy. And fourth one is a given in front of you, increase profit. And next one is a given, employment opportunities. And last one is a given in front of you, social benefit. With the help of that, we can able to know these all activities, and these are related with the small business and enterprises. Okay, dear students, you have to make a notes. This is the introduction and need of entrepreneurship is the explained in front of you with the help of this lecture. So dear students, you have to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends and others also. And give more attention in these classes what we are sending with the help of YouTube channel. Now make a note. Thank you all.